KAYO fully automatic SMT PMP machine is the leader of many domestic sand manufacturers. With its ultra-high electronic and mechanical design technology, meets users' high density, high precision, and flexible placement requirements for mobile digital and electrical production. KAYO SMT has become a supplier of providing SMT full solutions, including SMT industrial technology, PMP machines, and other online equipment. In order to meet the ever-changing needs of customers, KAYO Automation has launched A6L, A8L series, a new generation of PMP machine that is superior to the 17 series. Based on the IPC 9850 standard, the placement speed of KAYO A series can reach 15,000 cph. The highest speed can reach 20,000 cph. The placement accuracy is up to negative or positive 0.01 milliliter, and the high-density melting of components with 0.2 milliliter spacing. In addition, A8L is equipped with a new generation of optional electric feeding system, which achieves reliable and non-stop feeding while improving the efficiency of the equipment. Adopts Win 7 OS and front and rear LED displays to improve system stability and user convenience. System design. The appearance design of the KAYO A series takes into account the user's convenience and safety to the greatest extent. It improves the user's convenience by screen shaping the PCB through the head camera and provides multi-language software including Chinese, English, and Russian. Its configuration allows the user to operate the equipment on either side of the front and back, ensuring convenience and security. Speed and stability. High-rigid frame and XY structure of Panasonic servo system of KAYO AAL or A6L enable max speed 20,000 cph and negative or positive 0.01 milliliter precise placement, while achieving a high-precision placement with unique visual supplement correction. Even the changes in the external environment will not affect the performance of the equipment. Reliable component handling. KAYO uses the improved linear scanning system to improve the ability to capture images in HD for stable and reliable results. In addition, the design of the nozzle is common to the market standard Zuki nozzle. High efficiency. The design of 3-section track minimizes the waste of working time, improves production efficiency, and reduces the degree of manual intervention. In addition, the function of A series of reducing speed while opening covers can improve safety. New feeder system. A series can hold 70 PCS of feeders and various ICS, achieving the highest productivity and efficiency among the same types, meeting the diverse and complex requirements of the product. Software system. A series adopts Win 7 OS, which makes it easy for the users to operate the equipment. Also support offline program and coordinate import of PCB files. Up to now, KAYO Automation has established Beijing, Wuxi, Shenzhen branch, covering the nationwide service network. The R&D ability has doubled year by year. There are more than 50 professional R&D personnel. The sales volume has grown through 10,000 sets and have been sold to more than 70 countries around the world. Facing the opportunities and challenges of the future, KAYO Automation will always take innovation, serving customers and fulfilling customers as its own responsibility, under the encouragement and guidance of the Chinese dream in the new era, create our own national brand.